Hey everyone, today I'm gonna walk you through how to fix a car fuel door that won't open. This is a super common issue, and luckily you can usually solve it yourself. First things first, make sure your car is parked safely, and the engine is off. Now try pushing the fuel door button or lever inside your car. If nothing happens, don't force it. Sometimes dirt or debris builds up around the door, or the mechanism just gets stuck. Grab a plastic card, like an old gift card, and gently wiggle it around the edge of the fuel door. Sometimes you'll feel a little resistance. Carefully pry it open, but don't use too much force. You don't want to scratch the paint. If it pops open, check for any obvious dirt or rust on the hinge or latch. Clean it off with a rag and a bit of WD-40 or silicone spray. Open and close the door a few times to make sure it moves freely. If the door still won't open, it might be the release cable. Look inside your trunk, usually behind a panel near the fuel door. You'll find a manual release tab or cable. Pull it, and the door should open. If none of these steps work, the release mechanism could be broken. That's when it's time to see a mechanic. And that's it. With a few simple tools, you can fix most stuck fuel doors at home. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your fix.